happening, guys? Today I'm gonna test out my drone. Just got it set up last night. Got it spinning up when it was in my hand. Yeah, number one, number two. This is the Holy Stone 720G, and the G stands for gimbal. So this camera's always keeping itself flat. So here's my takeoff spot. Okay, I'm gonna put the antennas there. Here is the holder, comes out, tilts up, push this out. So, first, we're gonna hold the lock button, turn it on. Okay, then you hold this until the lights light up. Doot doot. We're good. Now, I can fly it as is, I believe, but I won't be able to record. So you download the app, Ophelia Fly? I'm not sure, it's in the owner's manual. So, it's already connected. That was convenient. Alright, so you want it facing away from you, like it is, and then you hit the unlock button. Okay. Now I don't really know the controls. I hope I don't hit my bike. Unlock again. Oh, a short press. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Look at that. It's not doing a very good job of keeping itself in one place. Maybe I should redo the compass. Bring it back here. I try to land it right on the sewer. This is my first time flying it too. Pretty easy to control. And then you just hold down. Give it one long lock press. Now it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so for the compass, how do you do this? Start calibration, place horizontal, rotate it 3 circles, so 1, 2, 3, okay, and then you face it up, 1, 2, 3, okay, it's been calibrated. Oh, I want to film a video. Where's the record? Okay, record is right here. Oh no, that's a... There we go, now we're recording. Alright. One short press unlocks the propellers. 2 short presses, I guess. Okay, let's see. Seems like it doesn't calibrate for the wind much. You serious? No broken propellers. Stop! What? Well, that was that sucked. Why'd you do that? Okay, it says do the compass again. Okay, don't crash again. What did I do wrong? Okay. What's happening? Why are you crashing like this? Okay, good, the camera's not broken. It came out of its home. I don't know. It's kind of scaring me. It's not that windy. I'm nervous flying this now. Okay. Did I just break it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just broke it. Are you kidding me? First flight. Well, that was my video.